Wood chipper, wood chipper, wood chipper, wood chipper. It's wood chipper time for creeps and degenerates that prey on women and children. Time to get the wood chipper. The wood chipper, 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 the wood chipper. One politician was grooming minors, humiliating them. Then I swooped in, bagged him, and he was struggling for air, suffocating, or begging for me to stop. The politician was begging for me to stop, but I never did. We will never stop. We will never stop. We will never stop inflicting pain on creeps and degenerates. We'll never stop. I let him go. Then tie him up. Now he's on the wood chipper, ready to be chipped. I activate the wood chipper, it goes up, then I can hear him scream, and scream some more, creep. Screams of degenerates and creeps, music to my ears. Music to my ears, love the screams of creeps and degenerates in agony and pain, wishing for the pain to stop. I stop the machine, knock them out. Oh God, I just love hearing the screams of degenerates and creeps screaming agony and pain, because they know the pain is not going to stop. It will never stop. It will never stop. And it's never going to stop, not when we're around. He's back at his house, his legs chopped off. He'll never walk again. That's what creeps get. Preying on our women and children. We'll never stop.